ሰላም ቤተሰቦች እንዴት ናችሁ? በዛሬ ቪዲዮአችሁ ኮምፒውተር ሳይንስ ዲፓርትመንት በ2017 አጋማሽ ወይም ጥር ወር ላይ የተፈተኗቸውን ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን። በዚህ ቪዲዮ በክፍል 1 እና በክፍል 2 ነው አጠቃላይ በጥር ወር ላይ የተፈተኑትን የምናቀርባቸው። ምክንያቱም ቪዲዮ በጣም ስለሚረዝም ለዛሬ 40 ጥያቄዎችን በክፍል 1 እንሰራለን። ለቀጣይ ደግሞ እየቀሩትን እስከ 100 ያሉ ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉላቸው። ላይክ እና ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ተከታተሉ። ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሂድ። መጨረሻ ላይ ከ40 ስንት እንዳገኛችሁ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ ጻፉልኝ። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ምንድነው የሚለው how does AI contributes to gaining insight into human intelligence? A. By replicating human cognitive process exactly. B. By relying solely on predetermined rules and algorithms. C. By analyzing large datasets to uncover patterns and correlations. D. By disregarding the complexity of human cognition. The correct answer is C. By analyzing large datasets to uncover patterns and correlations. These the AI approaches that allows to identify trends and insights relate to human intelligence, but not exact through data analysis, based on data analysis. So, the correct answer is C. 2. If a problem can be broken into sub-problems that are reused several times, the problem process which property? Memorization, optimal substructure, greedy, overlapping subproblems. Overlapping subproblem is the correct answer, which means this property indicates that the same subproblems solve multiple times in the process of solving the overall problems. So D is the correct answer. 3. This property indicates that problem can be divided into smaller subproblems that recur multiple times, making it suitable for optimization technique like dynamic programming. In the knowledge representation, how do we represent how to drive a car? A. Declarative knowledge. B. Transition knowledge. C. Procedural knowledge. D. Information knowledge. The correct answer is procedural knowledge, because the type of knowledge that involves knowing how to perform tasks and actions such as driving a car. እንዴት መኪናን ድራይቭ ማድረግ ይቻላል የሚለውን ፕሮሲጀራል ኖሌጅ ነው ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርገን። ሶ ሲ ኮሬክት አንሰራችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 4 what is the difference between OLTP and OLAP databases? A. OLTP database stores historical data, while OLAP database stores real-time data. B. OLTP databases are optimized for read-heavy workloads, while OLAP databases are optimized for write-heavy workloads. C. OLTP databases are used for online transaction processing, while OLAP databases are used for online analytical processing. D. OLTP databases are used for online analytical processing, while OLAP databases are used for online transaction process. The correct answer is C. OLAP databases are used for online transaction processing, but OLAP databases are used for online analytical processing. This distinction that highlights or determines the primary purpose of each type of database separately. So, OLTP database for online transaction process, OLAP database for online analytical process. So, OLTP for transaction, the online transaction processing, while OLAP for online analyzing. C is the correct answer. 5. Which acid property ensures that transaction either complete in its entirety or has no effect at all? atomicity, durability, consistency, isolation። የትኛው የአሲድ ፕሮፐርቲ ነው? ትራንዛክሽን either complete in its entirety or has no effect at all የሚለውን ኢንሹር የሚያደርግልን ነው የሚለን። አቶሚሲቲ ነው ይሄን ኢንሹር የሚያደርግልን because it the guarantees that transactions is all or nothing, which means either fully completed or has no effect on the system የሚለውን ኢንሹር የሚያደርግልን አቶሚሲቲ ነው ማለት ነው። What is the primary objective of reinforcement learning in artificial intelligence? A. To mimic human decision-making process. B. To categorize data into predefined class or clusters. C. To identify patterns and correlation in data. D. To maximize cumulative rewards through sequential decision-making. The objective of reinforcement learning in artificial intelligence is to maximize cumulative reward through sequential decision making. Reinforcement learning based on rewards, punishment and rewards. So that reflects the fundamental goal of reinforcement learning, where an agent can learn to make decisions that will produce the highest reward over the time, that will get the rewards. So D is the correct answer. 7. If an optional solution can be created for problem by constructing optional solution for the subproblem, the problem possesses which property? Greedy, optimal substructure, memorization, overlapping subproblems. B. Optional substructure. Optimal substructure is the correct answer because the property on the optimal substructure indicates that the optimal solution of the problem can be constructed from optimal solution of the some subproblems. The optimum one it selects. So optimal substructure is the correct answer. 8. One of the following is not the main advantage of multiprogramming. A. Copying one's program or data using system resource, CPU, memory, disk space, peripherals without proper accounting. B. The CPU switches from program to program running each for tens or hundreds of milliseconds. C. Attempts to increase CPU utilization by always having something for the CPU to execute. D. Make efficient use of the CPU by overlapping the demands for the CPU and its input-output device from the various users. B. Copying one program or data using system resource, CPU, memory, disk space, peripherals without proper accounting is not the advantage of multiprogramming. 9. Which of the following is not method of an expression for algorithms? It's very simple question. A. Natural language. B. Programming language. C. pseudocode. D. flowchart. Except A or others are the method of expression for algorithms. We can express algorithms in terms of programming language using different programming languages. We can also using pseudocodes, the flowchart, but natural language processing can describe the algorithm. It is not considered a formal method for expressing them compared to the other options. It can describe simply, but it is not a method. 10. An healthcare database system, which concept is crucial for ensuring patient data privacy and security? A. Data warehousing. B. Data mining. D. Data encryption. C. Data encryption. D. Data replication. In healthcare database system, on the concept of ensuring patient data privacy and security is about data encryption. It is essential for protecting sensitive patient data that guarantee it remains secure and private. So, data encryption, C. Is the correct answer, not this one. 11. What is foreign key in relational database? A field in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. B. A key used for accessing external data sources. C. Key used for indexing primary keys. D. A key used for encryption purpose. The foreign key is the primary key in another table, which indicates the link between that used for link two or more tables. So, A is the correct answer. 12. Which programming paradigm focuses on breaking down problems into smaller, reusable components known as functions or procedures? Which programming paradigm? Procedural programming, imperative programming, object-oriented programming, functional programming. The correct answer is A. Procedural programming that emphasizes dividing complex problems into smaller manageable functions or procedures that can be reused for the latter. ቁጥር 13 which of the following is passive attack? Masquerade, denial of service attack, traffic analysis, reply. Traffic analysis is the passive attack. 14. Which one of the following is not step in the merge sort algorithm? Combine, conquer, divide, analyze. Merge sort algorithm is based on divide and conquer, so that includes after sorting the combine operation. So the step that does not exist on the merge sort is D, the analyze. It's not a step in the merge sort. 15. What does the term algorithm refers to in the context of computer programming? A. A set of rules or instructions for solving problem. B. A variable that holds single piece of data. C. A function that performs a specific task. D. Programming language syntax. Algorithm in the context of computer programming is a set of rules or instructions for solving problems. A is the correct answer. Question number 16. Which objective of modern operating system involves protecting the system and its resources from unauthorized access and malicious attack? A. Enhancing system performance. B. Ensuring security and protection. C. Maximizing hardware utilization. D. Providing user-friendly interfaces. The correct answer is B. That ensuring secure and protection, which means the modern operating systems are designed with security as fundamental objective to safeguard user data, system resource from the threats that allow or guarantees safe and reliable operations. So, B is the correct answer. Question number 17. Which one is correct about RISC computers? D. RISC computers has hardware control unit with pipeline processing. D is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the following is not characteristics of NoSQL database? Flexibility in data model, high availability, scalability, strict schema enforcement. Strict schema enforcement, which is not a characteristic of NoSQL databases, but for relational database. 19. What is the name of grammar in which all attributes of the grammar symbols are synthesized? Attributes and form of inherited attributes. M attributes grammar, L attributes grammar, attributed grammar, is attributed grammar. The name of the grammar in which all attributes of the grammar symbols are synthesized attributes and form of inherited attribute, which is S attribute grammar. 20. What is the minimum number of stack needed by the finite state automata? 1, 2, 3, 0. 0, because finite state automata does not require any types of stack. 21. What is the purpose of the switch statement in C++? The purpose of switch statement in C++ is to select one of many code blocks to be executed, which code block to be executed based on the condition that meets, which is selecting the block of the code block. So B is the correct answer. 22. Which of the following classified as informed or uninformed or blind search? Where's the first search? Hill climbing, heuristic functions, greedy search. But this first search is considered as uninformed or blind search method because it does not use any domain knowledge to follow or guide the searching process. There is no guidelines or there is no domain knowledge in the searching process of this first search, so which is uninformed or blind type of search. 23. Which among the following measure how strongly the elements within the module are related? Cohesion, aggregation, inheritance, coupling. Cohesion, which refers to the degree of the module being together, that indicates how well the component fits and work together. 24. What is the term that refers to the collection of data stored in database at a specific point in time? A. Foreign key, B. An instance, C. Primary key, D. Schema. An instance is the correct answer. Why not schema? It is an instant time, a specific point of time that makes the answer an instance. B is the correct answer. 25. Which data structure permits the deletion of elements from the front and insertion of elements at the end? The data structure that have the characteristics of insertion at the front and deletion at the insertion at the rear. There is two ends, there is front, and there is rear. We can insert on the rear and delete from the front end. This characteristics is queue characteristics, or the data structure which have the characteristics such is queue. So the correct answer is D. 25. Which of the following statement is true? The module with low cohesion and high coupling is considered functionally independent of other modules. B. Functionally dependent module has a minimal interaction with other module. C. A module with high cohesion and low coupling considered functionally dependent on other modules. The equation measures the functional strength of the module. The equation measures the functional strength of the module. High equation, high strength of the functional. So, this is the correct answer, which is true. 27. 28. What type of grammar is commonly used for syntax analysis? Context-free grammar, regular grammar, non-recursive grammar, recursive grammar. Context-free grammars are primarily used to syntax analysis for programming language and their compilers. 29. Brute force attacks are most commonly targeted at which type of access controls? Biometrics and smart cards, password and smart cards, password and personal identification numbers, biometrics and passwords. The brute force attacks are typically most effective against systems that depends on password and pins, but they can often be guessed through systematic attempts. So the brute force attack based on attempts, which is C, is the correct answer. Which of the following diagram represents the static structure of a system? Sequence diagram, use case diagram, activity diagram, class diagram. የዚህኛው መልስ ደግሞ የሚሆነው ክላስ ዲያግራም ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም the class diagram depicts the static structure of a system by instanting the system classes, their attributes, their methods, and the relationship between them. So ይህንን የሚያመለክተን ክላስ ዲያግራም ነው ማለት ነው። ጥያቄ ቁጥር 31 which scheduling algorithm guarantees that every process receives an equal portion of CPU times? Round robin, first come first served, short job next, priority scheduling. ይህን ጥያቄ ለመስራት ደግሞ CPU scheduling algorithms ከነሱ መካከል ለእያንዳንዱ ፕሮሰስ ኢኳል የሆነ ፌር ሼሪንግ ኦፍ ሪሶርስ ያለ ማጋ ነው ራውንድ ሮቢን ስኬጁሊንግ ቴክኒክ ላይ ነው። ሶ ለእያንዳንዷ ምን አላት ኢኳል የሆነ ቤዝድ ኦን ካሚንግ ታይም ኢኳል የሆነ ፍራክሽን ኦፍ ሪሶርስ ሼሪንግ ይሰጣል ማለት ነው። ሪሲቭ ኢኳል ፖርሽን ኦፍ ዘ CPU ታይም። ሶ ራውንድ ሮቢን ኢዝ the correct answer. ጥያቄ ቁጥር 32 the data structure need for first traversal on the graph is stack true stack 3 q array ይላል። መልሳችን ይሆናል q ማለት ነው። the data structure used to facilitate the birth first traversal by processing nodes in the order they are discovered based on their ዲስከቨርድ ኦርደራቸው ቪዚት ለማድረግ ትራቨርስ ለማድረግ ስለሚያገለግለን የፕሮፐርቲ ስላለው ኢኪው በርዝ ፈርስት ትራቨርሳል ግራፍ የሚጠቀመው ኪው ዳታ ስትራክቸር ነው ማለት ነው። 33 in PHP which function initiates session? Start, which is B is the correct answer. This function used to start new session or reuse the existing session in PHP. አዲስ ሴሽን ለመክፈት ወይም ደግሞ ስንጠቀምበት የነበረውን ሪዩዝ ለማድረግ የሚጠቅመን ይህ ፋንክሽን አይነት ነው። በፒኤችፒ ሴሽን ስታርት ሴሽን አንደርስኮር ስታርት የሚባለው ፋንክሽን ማለት ነው። ሶ ቢ Okay. Question number 34. Which one? 34ኛው ጥያቄ ደግሞ which one of the following place can we not place our JavaScript code? A. In any tag as an attribute is not place our JavaScript code to put 35. Which one of the following is not component of the computer system? The data unit, the input unit, the control unit, the storage unit. A. The data unit is not considered as distinct or precise component of computer system. Unlike the other options, but others are component of the computer system. 36. A signal communication. The absolute value of the highest intensity of the signal proportional to the energy it carry is referred to as period, frequency, attenuation, peak amplitude. In the signal communication, there is the wave of the signals. So, this peak and this peak are opposite direction and the same when we make absolute value. So, this is the peak amplitude. Which is the amplitude. So, the correct answer is D. The maximum intensity of the signal is either this one, which is but opposite. We can absolute when the absolute value, which is peak amplitude. There is a maximum point of the peak. Question number 37. What is encapsulation in object-oriented programming? Inheritance, composition, data hiding and abstraction, polymorphism. Encapsulation is data hiding, which means encapsulation involves building the data and method that operates on the data, restricting access to some components. 39. Which one of the following statement is true? A. The transport layer in the OSI model is connection-oriented and connectionless. B. The transport layer in the TCP/IP model is connection-oriented only. C. TCP/IP model has 7 layers while OSI model has 4. D. OSI model provides clear distinction between services, interface, and protocols while TCP/IP model does not. ይህ ጥያቄ በእኔ እይታ ስህተት አለበት ነው የምለው። ምክንያቱም ኤም ዲም መልስ መሆን ይችላል። ኤ ምንድን ነው የሚለው ትራንስፖርት ላየር ኢን ኦኤስአይ ሞዴል ኮኔክሽን ኦረንትድ አዝ ዌል አስ ምንድን ነው ኮኔክሽንለስ ነው። ዋይ ዊ ሳይ ኮኔክሽን ኦረንትድ የምንለው ለምንድን ነው? ኢት ኮንቴንስ ዋት ቲሲፒ ፕሮቶኮል ኤንድ we can say connectionless it have the protocol which is UDP. So UDP protocol and TCP due to TCP and UDP protocol we can say that the transport layer in the OSI model connectionless and connection oriented. That D ምርጫን ደግሞ በምን አይነት ዲ ኦፕሽንን ስናይ ምንድን ነው የሚለው OSI model provides clear distinction between service, interface and a protocol while TCP/IP model does not. የራሱ ትሩ ነው፣ ትሩ ስታትመንት ነው። ሶ ዲም ኮሬክት ይሆናል ማለት ነው እና ኤ ኤንድ ቢ አንሰር ነው። ሶ ኮሬክሽን ያስፈልገዋል ለዚህ ጥያቄ። ያው ኤግዚት ቢሆንም ስህተት ጥያቄ ይወጣል ማለት አይደለም። ሶ የመሰላችሁን ማስቀመጥ ነው። እንደ ቦነስም ሊያዝ ይችላል ማለት ነው። ወይ ሁለቱንም ያለ ሰው ሊታረምለት ይችላል። ከሁለቱ አንዱን ያለ ኤም ያለ ዲም ያለ። የመጨረሻው በዚህ ክፍል በክፍል 1 የ2017 የአጋማሽ የጥር ፈተናችን የመጨረሻው ጥያቄያችን ይሄ ነው። 40ኛው ጥያቄ how does AI contribute to the study of human behavior and cognition ይላል። A by disregarding human behavior as irrelevant to AI research. B by relying solely on a philosophical theory of consciousness. B by providing insights through analyze vast amount of behavioral data. D by limiting its scope to deterministic algorithm. The correct answer is C by providing insights through analyzing vast means large amount of behavioral data. በጣም በርካታ ዳታን በመጠቀም ኢንሳይትን አናላይዝ ማድረግ ከላርጅ አማውንት ኦፍ ዳታ ማለት ነው። ሶ ሲ ኮሬክት አንሰራችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ጨርሰናል እዚህ ጋር። እንግዲህ ቀጣይ ደግሞ ከ40 እስከ 100 ያሉ ጥያቄዎችን ይዘን እንገናኛለን። እስከዛው ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ተከታተሉ። ከኢዚት ኤግዛም ውጭ የለቀቋቸው ጥያቄዎችን ብትሰሯቸው ይጠቅማችኋል። ምክንያቱም እነዛን ጥያቄዎች ሰርታችሁ መጣችሁ እዚህ ጋር እነዚህንን የዚህን ዓመት ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ጥያቄ በዚህ ብቻ እንኳን ብታዩት በጣም ቀላል ይሆንላችኋል ማለት ነው። እዛ ጋር ከወጡት ውጭ በሙሉ እነዛ ጥያቄዎች ውስጥ አሉ እነዚህ ማለት ነው። ሶ ያን ጥያቄ ደግሞ ያወጣሁት በፊት ነው፣ ይህንን ጥያቄ ከማግኘቴ በፊት። ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎችን ብትሰሩ ሞር ሰክሰስፉል ትሆናላችሁ፣ ኮንፊደንስ ይኖራችኋል ለጥያቄዎቹ ማለት ነው። እሱ ለዛሬ እዚህ ጋር ይብቃን። ቀጣይ ደግሞ በክፍል 2 ቀጣዮቹን ጥያቄዎች እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። አመሰግናለሁ።